Read and follow the Merlo and Woodcracker manuals before assembling. For a secure assembling, place the Woodcracker on a firm, flat surface. Connect the Merlo quick coupler with the CS Smart. For a secure connection, firstly, the automatic pin underneath has to snap in. Secondly, insert the bolt for a permanent connection. The machine is now locked. Finally, bring the support foot to an inoperative state. The CS Smart is mechanically connected. The hydraulic installation. Remove the quick coupler's hydraulic hose and move it to parking position. Connect the Woodcracker CS Smart hydraulic lines to the Merlo. The hoses are marked with A and B. Connect A to A. And B to B. Make sure the hydraulic connections are tightened. Electric connection. The cover gets plugged in aside. And the electric cable is plugged in and mounted to the strain relief. Operating. Before you start the engine, make sure that nobody is standing in the vicinity of the machine. Pay attention to safety distances. For more information, read the Woodcracker manuals. The joystick has a safety switch underneath the left joystick. This button has to be pushed to activate all functions. Pushing the joystick forwards or backwards opens or closes the gripper. By pressing the right button on top of the joystick, the Woodcracker switches from gripping to rotating. The left button on top of the joystick activates the saw. If the saw mode is activated, an indicator light underneath the CS Smart is switched on. By pressing the left button and pulling back the joystick, the saw is turned on. On the other hand, by pressing the left button and pushing the joystick forward, the saw bar tilts down. Assembling complete. Woodcracker CS Smart. The powerful and safe saw head for tree care and tree removal.